And my understanding of your work, Steele, is that you operate in a lot of high volume industries, and those have very interesting and unique needs. So I definitely want to understand a little bit more in terms of, number one, the unique challenges that you are seeing in the high volume industries, and maybe layer in your SAP S/4HANA a little bit, whether it's a fit, not fit, or how do you make it a fit, I guess.
Sure. No, great question, Sam. What we see is that a lot of simpler systems, simpler SAP landscapes, they have already moved to S/4HANA because it was going to be pretty easy for them. They could maybe tolerate downtime. They didn't have a lot of data, or maybe not a lot of regulatory requirements that they needed to keep. So those guys moved already. So who's left, right? It's the monsters out there that really are having a challenging time moving, what we like to call getting the elephant through the eye of the needle, right? How do they move this massive high volume system? Could literally be 50, 100 or more terabytes. You think about the data volume that needs to move to S/4HANA, and may have to, in addition to just move, may have to go to the cloud, may need other conversion and adoption of new features in S/4HANA as well. All this has to happen now, and it becomes quite difficult. So those are the guys that are kind of, I don't want to call them laggards, but have been reluctant to bite the bullet on this because of some of these requirements. They have highly regulated industries. So for example, they need to bring all that data because it's the history that they need to prove their compliance, be it aerospace, banking, financial services, chemicals. They all have those similar type of historical requirements for compliance, as well as, highly customized business processes that they need going forward, right? Like you take finance. Everybody could go to standard finance, right? There's no reason you need customized accounts payable reporting, right? Right? It's like it comes in the system. If you can't deal with that, there's probably something wrong. However, manufacturing in aerospace, I could justify a very highly customized process there. People need to keep that. They want to adopt S/4HANA. They want to modernize. They want to be on the new platform. They want to take advantage of all the predictive analytics and all those great things we've been told, but there are certain things they can't change. So these are the people that we're dealing with right now. And add into that kind of part of your subject there is about downtime minimization. This becomes critical. Every organization knows their cost of downtime because it's how they do their disaster recovery planning. That's how they can justify, do I need a hot backup? Well, that costs me $1 million a month. Is my cost of downtime more than that? So then it justifies it, right? So they all know this, right? And you can easily see the cost of downtime running, into 7, 8 digits easily. And it becomes, downtime minimization becomes another key aspect of this. So that's another part of the puzzle. I don't want to overstress that. It is an important part of the puzzle, but it's not the only thing. You have to kind of balance what innovations, what modernizations do I want to take advantage of? What is my downtime requirements? Is cloud part of that? Are there other things I want to do, other innovations I want to do concurrently with that? You need to look at the whole picture.